Good evening, students. Now I am teaching 8th class, 9th chapter, area of the plane figures, example 14. So what is the question mark? A wire is bent into in the form of a square of side 27.5 centimeter. Let us take it is the wire mark. So this wire is bent in the form of square. Okay, each side length is how much mark? 27.5 centimeter. The wire is bent in the form of square of side 27.5 centimeter. The wire is straightened and bent into form of a circle. Again, this wire is in the form of a straightened. Again, this wire is changed in the form of a circle. Okay, what will be the radius of the circle so far? Okay, they are asking that radius of the circle. They are asking the radius of a circle. How we can find the radius of the circle? Means first find that the total length of the wire. How much wire they did not give. So the total length of the wire. Okay, how we can find? The wire is bent in the form of a square now. So how we can get the total length of the wire? By using the perimeter of a square. Why we can use the perimeter of a square? Because the wire is bent in the form of a square. Each side is how much more? 27.5. Then this total wire is bent in the form of a square. Okay, so here given that side of a square is 27.5 centimeter. So you know that perimeter of a square is equal to total length of the wire. Okay, no? So perimeter of a square is what now? 4 into side. 4 into side is equal total length of the wire. Here 4 into side of a square is how much more? They given that one 27.5. So 4 into 27.5 now. 4 5 ja 20. 4 7 is 28 plus 2 30. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 11. So 110 centimeter is the total length of the wire. Okay, they given that after changing the form of a square, again the wire is straightened. Okay, again the wire is changed in the form of a circle. Okay, the total wire is bent in the form of a circle. They are asking that the radius of the circle. Okay, how we can find the radius of the circle? Same one. Here perimeter, here circumference. Circumference of a circle means the total length of the circle or the distance measured all the points around a one fixed point is called circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle formula is what more? 2 pi r. So the total length of the wire is equal to circumference of a circle. Okay, circle. So what is the circumference of a circle formula? 2 pi r. So total length of the wire how much ma? 110. Okay, 110 is equal to 2 into pi is how much ma? 22 by 7 into r. Here 2 into 22 by 7 here multiple. This multiple come this side and divide. 110 by 2 into 22 by 7 is equal to r. So the denominator of fraction is become reciprocal. That is 110 by 2 into 7 by 22. 22 1 ja, 22 5 ja. So radius of the circle is equal 5 7 ja, 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 nothing but how much mass? 17.5 centimeter. So therefore radius of a circle is equal 17.5 centimeter. Example 12 ma. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeter. find its area and also find the area of semicircle. Okay, so circumference of a circle. First of all, circle and then the set of the points is arranged around a one fixed point with certain distance. The set of the points are joining together around a one fixed point with certain distance. The certain distance is nothing but radius. Okay, this is called circle. Okay, circumference means what ma? The measurement of all the points on a circle is called circumference. Okay, so they given that the circumference of a circle is 22 centimeter. Okay, so given circumference of a circle. Centimeter. Here, what the formula circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal 22 centimeter. Here, pi is how much? 2 by 7. Its approximate value is 3.14. Here, 2 into 22 by 7 here multiple. This multiple is going to divide. R is equal 22 by 2 into 22 by 7. So here the denominating fraction is it is become reciprocal. 22 by 2 into 7 by 22. 22 cancels, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is equal to how much more? 3.5 centimeter. The radius of the circle is how much more? 3.5 centimeter. Here what they are asking that find its area. Here area means what? Any object is occupying a plane surface. That occupying place is called area. Okay, so here area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, no? So pi is how much more? 22 by 7 or how much more? 3.5, nothing but 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 r square more. Okay, r square means the r is multiplied over times 2 times. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 now. So 7 cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 11 7 ja, 77 by 2. So 77 by 2 is nothing but how much more? 36.5 centimeter square. Okay, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Area of semicircle. Semicircle means what mass? Half of a circle is nothing but semicircle. So area of circle is what? Pi r square. In this pi r square, half of pi r square. So that is 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. R into r. That is r is how much mass? 1 by 2. Yeah, 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 7 7 cancel. That is 11 7 ja. 7 7 2 2 ja. 4. Okay. 77 by 4 now. Here 4 1 ja. 4 1 ja. 4 9 ja. 4 2 ja. 5 ja. So 19.25 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So therefore, area of a semicircle is equal 19.25 centimeter square. Area of a circle is 36.5 centimeter square.